Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to discuss about the chapter 4 of your chemistry. That one is chemical kinetics. What is chemical kinetics? In this chapter, I am going to discuss about the types of reactions. How many types of reactions are found? Reactions are mostly of two types. That one is fast reactions and slow reactions. Those reactions which take a very little time means within 1 second. If a reaction completes within a second, then it is called fast reaction. And if the reaction takes minutes, hours, days, years, then they are called slow reactions. All ionic reactions are fast reactions and covalent reactions are slow reactions. For example, when NaCl is added to AgNO3, that one is ionic compound. When we add NaCl with AgNO3, then within a second they react together and form AgCl, and Na combines with this NO3 and forms NaNO3. That one is ionic reaction and that is very fast reaction. Some reactions are slow reactions, means covalent reactions are slow reactions. In these reactions, like KClO3, on heating it forms KCl plus 3O2. This is a covalent reaction which takes place very slow. Rusting of iron, you know that rusting of iron is also a slow reaction which takes place in longer time. This is called slow reaction. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about the rate of reactions. What is the rate of reaction? Rate of reaction. What is the rate of reaction? See here, you know that reactant gets converted to product. Rate means the time taken to convert reactant into product. Means in a particular time interval, how many reactant gets converted to product. This is called rate of the reaction. How can we find rate of reaction? Rate equals minus change in concentration of reactant upon time taken. Means concentration of reactant decreases with time. If you take 100 molecules of atom A, then after some time it becomes 90, 80, 70, etc. means continuously decreasing. And this one is continuously increasing. At starting it is 0, then 1, 2, 20, 30, 50, 70, 80, like this. P becomes increases continuously and R becomes decreases continuously. Hence we put minus sign with R and plus sign with P. Plus change in concentration of P upon time taken. This one is also rate. Means rate can be expressed in terms of reactant as well as product. See here, A gets converted to B. What is the rate of reaction for this? The rate of reaction for this reaction can be written as minus change in concentration of A upon time interval. Minus sign indicates that this is decreasing continuously. This del or delta, this shows change in this big bracket concentration of the reactant upon delta T, time taken. That one is equal to plus delta change in concentration of B upon delta T. This one is the rate of reaction for this equation. See here, if A plus B gives C plus D, here two reactants and two products are present, then you can write rate equals minus delta concentration of A upon delta T equals again minus delta B by delta T plus delta C by delta T plus delta D by delta T. They are with positive charge sign and they are with negative sign because they are decreases continuously and they are increases continuously. If any number is present, if any coefficient is present before this, then see here like this, small a capital A, small b capital B, small c capital C and small d capital D. In this reaction, the rate of reaction will be minus this coefficient becomes 1 by A delta concentration of A upon delta T equals minus 1 by B delta concentration of B upon delta T equals plus 1 by C. This one becomes like this, delta change in concentration of C upon delta T equals plus 1 by D. This D becomes like this, delta D by delta T. See here, in this way we can write the rate of reaction, expression for rate of reaction. That one is expression for rate of reaction for this reaction. Take one more reaction like this, N2 plus 3H2 2NH3. In this reaction, the rate will be minus delta concentration of N2 upon delta T equals minus 1 by 3. This 3 becomes like this, delta H2 upon delta T equals plus 1 by 2 delta NH3 upon delta T. This is the expression for rate of reaction for this reaction. What is the unit of rate of reaction? The unit of rate of reaction is mole per liter per time. This time may be generally in second, but it may be in minute, hour, days, etc. Means any other time can be used here, but in most of the reactions, time is in second. This is about the rate of reaction. In my next lecture, I am going to discuss about some other topics. Okay, thank you.